Hi guys, this is Andrew and welcome to the next video on AF Swift tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to scan Bluetooth peripherals. When we need to scan for Bluetooth peripherals, we're using Core Bluetooth, the internal framework from iOS SDKs to do that. And in order to achieve that, we need to implement couple delegate method, and I will show you how to do that in SwiftUI. So first, let's import Core Bluetooth. And next, we will start from a ViewModel. Bluetooth ViewModel, and we must inherit from NSObject in order to get some of the delegate method, and we're gonna add observable object. Okay, first thing we need is a central manager of type CB central manager. Then we will record a list of our peripherals, and in order to show it in our list, we'll create a published peripherals names list. To make our central manager work, we need to assign it a delegate to self and implement couple delegate methods. And for queue, we can just go with main. And now we need couple delegate method, so I will create extension for our Bluetooth ViewModel, and it's gonna be CB central manager delegate, and we're interested in function central manager did update state, and it auto completes for us. And inside of this method, we will check if our central state is powered on. If it's powered on, we will scan for peripherals. And for services, we don't have any specific services, so we just place nil here. And another method we need to implement in order to get our peripherals, that's central manager did discover. And it auto completes. And here we need to check if a new peripheral is in our list. If it's not, we're adding it to our peripherals list and adding to peripheral list name. Okay, so if our peripherals contains element peripheral, and we need only if it does not contain, so we add exclamation mark over here, and if it does not in our list, so we add it to our peripheral list. And the same for peripheral list, peripheral name. We append peripheral name, and it's optional, so if it doesn't have name, we call it unnamed device. Alright, so far so good. So now let's go to SwiftUI and add observed object. Which is gonna be our Bluetooth ViewModel. Okay, and inside of a body, let's create navigation view. And our data is gonna be Bluetooth ViewModel peripheral names, id \self, and we don't have children and row counts, so we just and this peripheral is going to be object of peripheral names, so it's going to be a regular string. And let's add also navigation title. And let's run our simulator. Unfortunately, simulator doesn't work with Bluetooth, so in order to check our app, we need a real iOS device. Alright, so now our code looks good, but we need to add one more thing to make it work. On a real device, we need to add a privacy label. So now let's go to the project, and under targets, we need to go to Info tab, and here we hit plus, and we need to find privacy Bluetooth peripheral usage description. And here we asking user to give us permission to look for peripherals. And now we can test our code on a real device. If we open our app on a real device, we will see a list of Bluetooth peripherals nearby. The device that doesn't have name or the name could not be recognized just showed as unnamed device on our list. So that's it with core Bluetooth and how to look for peripherals. So that's it with core Bluetooth. If you find this video interesting or useful, give it a like, consider subscribing to this channel, and thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.